In this brief video, I will demonstrate another version of the plot demo. First, let's make modifications to the cargo.toml file. These are the use declarations. If you wish to review the code, feel free to pause the video. These are constant definitions. These are EEG channel numbers. Please note that we have not divided them into two groups. This is our new struct, myApp, which was featured in my previous video. The significance of these two fields will be explained shortly. Here is the implementation of the default trait for myApp. Similar to before, we have implemented 3 methods for myApp. The new method remains unchanged. Now, let's delve into the top panel method.
In the previous video, the top panel featured a menu bar. In the current version, the top panel includes 4 buttons and a menu bar with a drop-down menu. Here is the code structure. After integrating the buttons into the structure, we have the following layout. Along with the response of each button, we get this. Now, let's delve into the update method.
The update method is structured with 16 rows of plots, which are only displayed when streaming is active. Keyboard events are implemented to adjust the number of samples shown in each plot. For a more in-depth explanation of keyboard events, refer to previous videos on the Caterpillar project. Pause to review the code. The variable key_down is a hash set. If explicit type annotation is used, import the struct hashset from the standard library. As the enum key is already loaded into the namespace, it can be used without the path egui. Now, let's run the application. Here is the issue. I updated the method by adding an input parameter to make it more flexible. However, I forgot to provide the parameter when calling the function. Let's try to run the application after with the parameter added.
We have implemented a new container for the plots. The variable data is now local to the method plotData. Scroll area is a container. For each channel, we gather the points, create a plot, and display the points as a line. The x-axis of the last plot is shown if the x-axis on is true, while the y-axis on applies to all plots. Next, we can enhance the code by consolidating the 2 buttons into one. We can replace the existing code with logic that toggles between start streaming and stop streaming based on the current state. Let's test the updated application by running it. Similarly, we can create a button that switches between Prepare Session and Release Session using the same logic. Let's pause the video to review the code and then run the program. Let's review the code for the menu bar and enhance the appearance of the plot menu. The basic idea is to toggle the label of the first button between Show X-axis and Hide X-axis. This idea is also applied to the second button. Thanks for watching.